CJ Dropshipping allows you to fulfill customer orders manually or automatically after connecting your store, Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, etc. Step-by-step fulfillment, process, sync orders, log into your CJ Dropshipping dashboard. Go to Store Orders, Imported Orders, click Sync, Store Orders, select your store, choose the date range and sync. New paid orders from your store will appear. Review and select orders. Check the synced orders for correct product variants, shipping address, and customer details. Select the orders you want to fulfill. Add to Picking. Click Add to Orders Picking or similar button. Review the total cost, product plus shipping, and proceed to payment. Pay for the order. Pay using your CJ Wallet, PayPal, credit card, or other supported methods. Once paid, CJ's team will pick, pack, and ship the products from their warehouses. Track the order. CJ will automatically update tracking numbers back to your store once the order ships. Automation. Tip: after initial setup and product mapping, you can enable auto-fulfillment in settings so orders sync and process with minimal manual work.